I'm Caitlin Marshall, and I'm Kylie Pendleton.
I'm Johnny's mom. This is Johnny. Say hi. And this is Azamaya, Johnny's sister.
And welcome. And welcome to RJTV. All right, so I'm sure you guys probably know by now you're here because we're celebrating Johnny for Wish Week.
Yes.
So if you guys just want to give us like a little bit of like story on who you are, who Johnny is.
Okay. So Johnny is 3. He's going to be 4 here in May. So I have a birthday coming up. He had AML leukemia and actually went a little over a year remission now. So overcome that hurdle. This little one loves dinosaurs and superheroes and ninjas. What else do you like?
Candy.
Candy. He loves candy.
What is your favorite kind of candy?
What's your favorite candy?
Yeah. Me too. I love that.
Pretty much anything. Aw. What do you like to do? You like to play your cars? You like to hunt dinosaurs in the backyard? Yeah. And what else do you like to do?
Big dinosaurs.
Big dinosaurs? Play with big dinosaurs?
Yeah, what's your favorite movie?
Aquaman.
Aquaman. Ooh. Shoot, we don't have an Iron Man cape or an Aquaman cape. We are just behind.
Where's the bad guy?
Show him how to kick.
How about that kick?
Yeah, you gotta do the kick.
Oh, kick. Oh, nice. Whoa,
That's
nice.
a good one.
All right, let's see. Do a little. Oh, ah! Ah!
So, Mr. Johnny, what are you most excited about to be here with us at Regis?
Well, in the car, he said meeting new friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think a lot of us are pretty cool. So, Mom, if you want to go a little bit more into like what it was like with leukemia, how long he had it, when just kind of a little bit more background on that.
Yeah, so he was in 6 months of very intense treatment. And honestly, even through all the chemo that he had, you would think it would knock him down and be bedridden. This little boy had so much energy even through all of that the doctors had to like page me to let me know they were coming to the door. Because he would go and like jump off the bed because he was so excited for visitors.
Oh.
So I wouldn't say chemo knocked him down. If anything, it brought like his energy levels back because he was sick for so long. But he had lots of treatment done, and I mean, he just honestly, looking at him, you couldn't tell besides missing hair that he was sick just because he was so full of energy and just so high-spirited. We stayed at Children's for 6 months, pretty much the whole term. We got to go home for maybe about a week in between cycles, which was a nice break for him because he got to go home and he would dump out his whole toy box and get reacquainted with all of his toys again. And then after the 6 months of treatment, we were lucky to find out that he was in remission and that it actually was all gone and he was a ton better, so he didn't need any bone marrow transplants or anything like that. So we were very fortunate that his body responded as well as it did. So, but yeah.
So you are a little superstar.
A little bit. Tough guy for sure. It's not easy. And then somebody with this much energy being hooked up to monitors and stuff was quite a challenge.
Can't get you to sit still. I can tell right here. You don't like to sit still.
No.
You like to move. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think? Should we take you outside?
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you guys in a minute.
3, 2, 1.
Parker Stava, and I'm a senior here at Regis Jesuit.
Hi everyone, my name is Blake Pavlik, and I'm a senior at Regis Jesuit.
This year we are just bringing a Wish Week to Regis Jesuit. You've probably heard of them, and we wanted to bring this tradition to you all.
We got a lot of fun theme days coming your way as well. We got mixed between a PJ day, sports day, just kind of really fun theme days, and all based around what Johny really likes.
Throughout the week, we are going to be selling Wish Kits. Those Wish Kits will cost $15 and will include a Make-A-Wish t-shirt with our slogan on them, as well as the back will have all of our sponsors on them that are our t-shirt or our presenting sponsors.
So we have a lot of fun events planned for this week. We got a big dodgeball tournament going on, and the winners will be able to play the teachers in a teacher-student dodgeball game. We got a spike ball tournament going on as well. That'll be super fun. Throughout the week, we're going to have a ton of different events, from restaurant nights to events happening here at school. Also some spirit days going around. All of these are really great ways to fundraise money so that we can donate as much of it as we can to Make-A-Wish. We are super excited to get this week going and hope you guys are just as excited as us.
We're trying to raise as much as we can. We are up against other schools. It's kind of like a competition. The more we raise, the better we look across Colorado. So let's go, Regis.